fifth place to make his way back into this race until his car broke down on him. Verstappen.
Hello! Just want to get a quick video out the way to answer a common question, do a little bit of a helmet check, plus get to see my new helmet for the first time, which I've resisted doing because you've got to unbox things on camera. That's a YouTube rule, probably. So the helmet I've been using at the minute is an Arai Rage SV, and I bought it for two reasons and two reasons only. One, it's green, and two, it's got a sun visor. Now the camera is a GoPro Hero 5, and as you can see, sits on the front down by the chin. It's a 90-degree arm to sort of bring it round onto the side. It doesn't mount perfectly on, to get it as close to the center as possible. This box attached to it with a cable tie is an external mic adapter, which runs to the mic on the inside so that you can hear me chatting my bollocks. And I used to have it stuck onto the side, and when I got the KTM, I thought I'd get a helmet I didn't mind falling over when learning to do wheelies and blah blah blah. Plus, gotta have a dirt helmet on a dirt bike, don't you? It's like the law. This one has a 90-degree arm on it, attached with a bolt that I drilled a hole for. Now it means when it comes to change over helmets, I just dig in for the mic in behind my cheek pad. It comes out on there, and I can remove the mount from one. If I had the mount, I could put that into another one. Now the cable tie on there means I can actually just unscrew this arm and swap it all over, tuck the mic away, and then we're sorted. We've got a dog coming to say hello. She's been stopped. Good girl. No, venturing in. Hello. Hello. And come and look at my helmet. Now, time to upgrade the helmet. I've gone for an Arai. Specifically a white Arai, and there's only really one reason that. I'll show you the picture. That's all it is. So it's a Chaser V. I imagine that's meant to be 5. It should be in diamond white. There's lots of bits with them. Some JDM pack and foam in a bag. Dark tinted visor for days like this. We are currently having a ridiculous weather spell, and it is excellent. What is this? Oh, you get the pin lock with it. More dogs. Oh, very big drawstrings on there. Oh, I hear a dog in the background as well. Wow. That is fantastic. Now, one thing I learnt over summer, when I first got my RST gear, I was really worried about sticking a sweaty boot foot in there. This, I'm not going to mind, because it's just going to happen. I've come to terms with that. In the event of an accident, you may be subject to impact. Ooh. We'll try her on and go out and ride in the sunshine. Lovely. Ooh. It's light. Might not be when I get the camera on it. And it's shiny. Got all the vents in the visor. Hopefully get some good airflow. Figure out how to use it. It's very tight on there. But I am a noob. Ah, it's got a little stop in there, I see. I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. That's the camera setup, the new helmet. What was the old helmet? I'm the helmet. If you think so, leave a comment below. Drop a like as usual. And thanks for watching.